Hello guys, in this video we will learn about more about restrictions tab. So in the previous video we will learn about this, and in this video we will learn about enable enrollment period. So basically people usually don't enable this because they want their customers to enroll the course whenever they want. But in educational institutions, they have specified some specific start date to and some specific end date between which their students can enroll the course. So, if you want to enable this enrollment period, you can click here and scroll down. You will see many options: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you will be given 4 extra options: in enable start date, enrollment start date, end date, and you can display these messages. So let's select January 1, 2025. See, I have selected January 1, 2025. You can change from here. And for the end date, I have selected 15 January 2025. So if I save and then preview it, see, I can enroll the course because I am viewing as an admin. If I view as visitor, as a complete new visitor, and let me scroll down. See, I cannot enroll this course because it's not between 1 to 15 January 2025. Today the date is 11/28/2024, meaning 28 November 2024. And it is displaying me this message: enrollment in this course opens on 1 January 2025. This, you can change this message. Come here and see, this is a message. You can change this, and this is a short code. Do not change it, otherwise you will be given some errors. So enrollment, this short code displays the date which we have specified here, and this short code displays the date which we have specified in this end date section. So if I want to change this in enrollment in this course will open on, from course opens on to will open on. I have changed this and save and then preview it, refresh. See, it now has will open on. So we can change whatever we like and type whatever we like. For example, if I write something, enroll starts on or close on, closes closed on. See, we are not, that is the end date message is not displaying because the date is in the future. We have to select and change it into past. For example, if I go to, today is November, if I go to September or October and select the start date as 15, for example, and end date is 31, and if I save it, refresh, see, it says enrollment closed on this date. So this is it, and thanks for watching the video.